We can take videos for you to show you what's the difference about these three machines. Okay, first we will see the LS23. LS23. This one, it is the big one. Okay, we can see the screen here. We put the screen here. Yeah, this is the plate. Okay, and this is three in one. It is mean the main machine and the controller and the water. Yeah, the water box. So we totally need three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the LS23. Okay, we can see this is the water we put inside. Yeah, from here you can see. Okay, so every month we need to change one time. Then it's fun. So just a few times in 1 year. It is very convenient for you. Okay, and the second one, it is the LS26. The 26 is just the mini size. Give me the screen. Okay, we can see we put the spring here. This plate is smaller than LS23, but the function it is the same. If your place is smaller, and if you want to save in your space, and you want to you want to charge less, so you can choose this LS26. And this also the same, have the water box, the controller, and the machine. Okay, also the three in one set. This is a mini size. I can show you more clearly. This is the small one, and this is the bigger one. Yeah, maybe we can see more clearly like this. These two screens, but the function it is the same. And another one, it is the LS23P. Okay, this P, why we call it is P? It is the all-in-one. Why we call the all-in-one? It is like the controller. The controller. Okay, another machine. I can show you. Yes, this one we can see the controller is on the machine already. It's already on the machine, and not the separate one. This is the separate one. But for the LS23P, it is all in one. The controller is in the machine, and also the water also in the machine. You see here? Okay, the water we put here. You just open it 1 month, one time, then it's fine. Yeah, all in one. Okay, after you installed, then like this, you received, then you can use it. It's very convenient. And for this machine, so it is mean after you received, then you connecting. You just need to connecting with the water box and the controller. The controller box, then it's fine. Yeah, all are very good. Just choose which one is suitable for you.